I'm Natalie Horvath. I'm a design director at Schumacher, and this is Wallflowers 2. This is a collection of imaginative motifs meant for large expanses or small spaces. We've designed them to sort of sit back in the space so that you really have room to play with what's in the foreground. We were very driven by the idea of these naturalistic, sort of loosely drawn designs. You'll notice there's a lot of air and space between motifs, between stripes, to sort of give you that breathing room in a room. From there, we really developed a succinct color palette and really only moved forward with what we thought would sit back from the wall and sort of be easy to live with. We take a lot of pride in choosing the correct printing process for each pattern, and we choose what suits each pattern best. And that's why we chose some of these specialty print methods, such as surface printing and gravure roller printing.